Mistake number 5 is recording without a pop filter. Plosives, those harsh bursts of air on P's and B's, are sneaky, and they don't always show up while you're recording, but they'll show up later in your mix as low-end thumps that sound like mini explosions. They're tough to remove and EQ won't really fix them, so the fix is to use a pop filter. It diffuses the burst of air before it hits the mic and helps keep the vocalist at a consistent distance. It's a cheap upgrade that instantly makes your vocal recording sound more polished.